Unfortunately, the dark aliens are destroying everything we have built over the years.
The Earth is definitely in need of help from the white breed, otherwise we can as well kiss our continent goodbye.
Their weapons are too advanced. Our military officers are yet to understand how they were able to fly these machines. One of them is about the size of 3 airplanes put together. Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll introduce you to a powerful and completely free video generator that you can use to create all your videos. And yes, you heard that right, it's absolutely free. If you're interested in discovering more free tools and valuable content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the tutorial.
Alright guys, this is the AI tool we're going to be using. Quan, that's the name of the AI tool. So what you want to do is just to come to this login to your account, and it's going to ask you to either, create an email if you want and password. But I prefer logging with my Gmail, it's easier. So I will see you when I log in. Okay, this is what the interface looks like. Let me just quickly explain what you should expect. Okay, if you look at this top part, this is where you can find different models, okay, of the tool. There are previous versions, but what we're going to be using is this one, this Quan 2.5. Okay, you can also decide to use this, the most powerful language model. So you can start to use any of the models, just try them out and see what result you're going to get from them. So this way you can select the models, and if you come down to this point, okay, you can activate web search and the rest, image generation. But what we're focusing on today is video generation. After logging in, if you don't find this video generation part on your profile, don't worry, don't panic. At the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you what you can do to resolve the issue. If you click on the video generation, this is what you're going to be getting. Look at this, just beside it, you can decide to select your aspect ratios. Okay, if you want it just a 1:1 ratio, any one you want, so just make sure you select that before you generate. And one beautiful thing about this particular AI tool, you don't have to type too much. You understand? Your prompt does not have to be too long, just little prompt, and the AI will generate beautiful videos for you. Let me quickly show you something I generated, and that was what I used in the intro. Beautiful videos, the one you watch, you see, these are the videos. Let me just show you. Then I added the voiceover and the rest of it. Did you see that? This is so clean, right? So clean. Just to tell you, the tool is powerful and it's completely free. Completely free. You don't have to pay anything. Just be creative with your generation and you will enjoy it. If you want me to show you how I added the voiceover and how I added avatars, into my production, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to show you how to add free avatars. Those avatars are free. Yes, completely free. Okay, the voiceover also free, and look at them, very realistic, very interesting to listen to. The tool is so easy to manage, so easy. Look at this point. So you can always name or tag your project. Okay, you can always name your project. If you click on this, you can rename it so that you'll not forget any project. Okay, you'll not be be looking for a project that you've already done. And if you want to create a new chat, just go and click the new chat. You're going to open a new page, and before you do anything, ensure you click the place you want to work on. If it's image generation, pick image generation. If it's video generation, pick video generation. All right, as I promised, said if you don't find this video generation aspect, what you can do to resolve it. Okay, one of the reasons why you may not find it is because maybe it has not been rolled out to you yet, or because of your region, the country you live in, or the place you stay. So what you want to do to resolve this problem is to use a VPN. Use a VPN, change your location, okay, log out, log in back, and the problem should be resolved. If you like to see videos like this, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, because I will always bring you tools that are completely free. Yes, free tools that will help you in your projects. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.